Hello guys and welcome to C Programming channel. Today I will be showing you how you can browse a file, open a file, and even that set up a filter. To do this example I will try to open Excel file using the open file dialog, and we are going to use the data grid view to display the data from the Excel file. So let's start. Okay, in case of using first of all we are going to use the using statement, which allows us to to initiate objects, variables, and then when you finish from that using statement everything will be wiped out, will be erased. So it's like this: using brackets, parentheses. Now we are going to use the open file dialog. It's this one. Then we just initiate an object calling on it open file equals to new open file dialog. Okay. Then we are going to set up the parameters of this object. What are the parameters? For this class, for example, if we put point here, dot, we will see all the parameters that we have. We can have filter, file name, initial directory, title, default, and things like that. For us, we are going just to use the filter. Even here, when you enter to this between these two brackets, look, you will have the same attribute methods that we have seen before. And here, if you put filter, okay. The filter, it is just a text statement. So for us, we are going to say it is an Excel files. Then for Excel files we are going to filter the three major extensions: the old extension of the Excel file, which is XLS, the new extension, which is XLSX, and the extension for the Excel file written in VBA, so it would be XLSM. Once we finished, so here everything is set up. Now when the user click on OK, so once he choose we need to take that, so we use if, then brackets, okay, between parentheses we are going to take our object open file, then we are going to say show dialog equals to results dialog or dialog result. Okay, so if the user choose his file and click on OK, we are going to, for example, let's say we want to display first of all message box dot show. Let's say we are going to in the first place display the file path. So here, if you want the file path, we will have an attribute which is called the file name. So let's use this one. So let's say that it will be like this, and here let's say the file path is this, and here we take open file, okay, dot file name. This is just for show, it's something doesn't matter. I was going just to do all of this outside of the using, but let's do it here in the using, and then we can see what will happen later. Now I have the data grid view, which has the name I think grid view, grid view dot data source. Okay, I am not going to speak here about how I can load the data from the Excel file, because I have an already function written by me, Excel sheet. So my function will take the open file path, file name. It will take the path of the file, and it will take the name of the sheet that we want to present. For us, this sheet 1. So here we are going to hit F5. I think everything is ready. Okay, So here we browse the file. As you can see, our file is here, as you can see, and for example, you can see in this folder there is a PDF document, but if we enter, there is no PDF document. As you can see, everything has been filtered. Only the Excel files will be displayed or be shown. Here we will choose this file, so we can see it is on TikTok downloads, and this is the file name. Click open. The file path is, this is what we choose, and okay, and think we should have the data here. Just call in, yep, and here we have the data from the Excel file. Thank you for watching, and this tutorial will be followed by how you can manipulate an Excel file using OLEDDB library. Thank you, and see you next time.